Hello and welcome. I have today for you an LMC Tourer motorhome. It's called the Lift H730G, 737 centimeters long, 232 in width, 287 in height, and weight ready to go, maybe 3,110, depends how you weigh it. There is more information about that and other things in the description. One thing I do want to make clear: 12 years water ingress guarantee. That I think is highly positive. It costs 84,000 euros. It's a kick-off price 72,000. Nobody ever pays the kick-off price. And so you may think that, oh, somebody's right, that all these things look the same. Well, I don't know, I don't think they do. But then again, I'm lucky enough to see lots of them. And now 737 centimeters in length, so it's a sort of a medium range motorhome as far as that is concerned. I'll show you how this works here. We can make the bed really big by pulling this thing out, and that makes a bit of a noise, and that'll upset your pet mouse. And you've got another cushion to put in there. I was going to pull that one down, but hey, I think you get the impression. Anyway, that'll probably be in the garage, or more likely it's been hidden down here where lots of people tend to hide them. There you go, there's the cushion that will go in there. Enormous wardrobe in a vehicle of this size. And in here we've got some more. We've even got a light, I think. No, we haven't. And the boiler is below. Here, 2 steps up to the bed. That seems quite a big step to me. In this one here, though, we do have quite a lot of storage down there. On that point, let's have a look towards the back of the bed, because what the back of the bed has got here is this thing here. Well, now, I would rather have some type of a cover, but what this does do, at least, it uses the full length of the motor. Many brands do not use the corner, and I do appreciate there's some problems using the corner, but there's that. The thing with this, I wonder, so take it out like that. I'm gonna have to think about this, because this is brand new, and I mean, at first I thought, oh, I don't like that, but then again, I think that really might work. Anyway, write your opinion on it. Nowhere else is doing this. There are the things which I often talk about, the Kipo system, for example, which I think is great, and using it myself. What do you think? Will it work? Will it work? Won't it work? Is it a good idea? Bear in mind, it's much less weight. You can see exactly what you've got in there. And as you're probably storing things like shirts, jumpers, bedding and this type of thing, it would hold in. You wouldn't obviously keep your socks in there, because it'll be all over the bed and all the rest of it. Anyway, there's some thoughts. And put more lights on. We've got this here. I think rather than having that, a USB would do. You can connect these things. It's a bit of work, but you can connect something like that to the inverter, and that would therefore allow you to plug. You wouldn't have to be on the plugged in at a campsite to get that to work. I spend most of my time off the grid, and so as such, I think I've got a vague idea what's going on. Here at the back, there's a space down there, because you just don't think you can see my fingers there. They're there, but there's space at the back. Don't know what the point of that is. If anybody knows, please write it down. And here, okay, shower here. Some brands, some vehicles offer a door at this side. This one hasn't got one. I often think that's not necessary, but it depends what you want. It should be what you want. It's not what I think, because I'm not the buyer. When I'm the buyer, I specify. If somebody else thinks something might be needed, then it might be needed. Sometimes there's some things which I think are totally pointless, and I'll say that. But I do understand, and this is really vital, everybody is different. Bear that in mind always when you look at something, any product. Got a bit of storage down here. and I'll show you this as well. The ductboard isn't really necessary down there. It's got these 2 filter drainage system, so it does catch all them bits that come off you. The Heimer group has been using this for many years, and I personally think it works very well, having used it in practice. Oh, somebody has just closed the door. I think it was to this vehicle. Maybe I have been locked inside. No, it wasn't this vehicle. Right, sink, deep, round, 3 burners over here. It says here combi, combi rollers, combi. It says the combis that got the dark bit, and there's also somewhere there will be also the insect screen as well. Insect screen is absolutely essential. I don't know how people managed before they were around. Right, now guess what? There's a bed here and you can't see it, can you? You walk in here, you cannot see the extra bed. Not only that, as I walk around, you can scarce, well, you can make out where it is, I'm exaggerating a bit, but this is an extra bed, and I would demonstrate it for you if only I had the key to bring it down. But we can do that in a different video at a different time. There's a very good reason why I'm not going to do it, and that is we're at a trade fair, and for obvious, they want their members of staff to actually do it for them, because people break things. You can have isofix, sorry, I think is the correct way of pronouncing it, for the chairs. We've got an extra chair here, can't see the point of that. I think that's just to fill the space up. Or is it because the bed will drop down as far as that, and so therefore you can remove a chair quite easily, whereas if it was something fixed, you can't actually do it. Now, if you're thinking of committing a crime, this is pretty good because it's got an anti-fingerprint over there, and that's the design internally. Now, it doesn't have a flat floor. I think at this price range that could have been done, but having said that, it does have, and I shall demonstrate this right now, it does have a double floor. You've got the water tank under there. You know, it's sometimes good to have access from inside to the water tank. You never know, sometimes it happens you can't actually fill up your water tank from a hose in where it's supposed to be. USB points here, more shore power there. Oh, and I'm going to let the music go because I really like this tune. So we saw then that the soft close didn't work very well, but anyway, that is that's to show that the CMT Trade Fair is now open. It is the song "The Whole World" from the CMT, and right. So looking at it from the outside, you can see how they've cleverly put in the bed, so you've got this bit here goes up. That's why you can't tell where the bed is. Very good design in my opinion. It's now it will soon be available. It certainly will be available by the time this gets published. Same size door on either side of the vehicle, and Citroën base, I didn't mention that, Tourer lift, and great. So anyway, so thanks for watching that, and there's more information, should be more information in the description, which is below, wherever it is, and thanks for being with me here today in Stuttgart, Germany.